Hello everyone, my name is Kushal Kothari. I'm from Ahmedabad. So I just got to know capturing WOW Academy, a workshop and masterclass when Love Israni sir attended, curated the workshop, free workshop at Ahmedabad. So I was keen to visit over there, and from that I came to know that capturing WOW is having a boot camp, is having a seminar at Mumbai. So this is my first experience, first workshop I'm attending in my life, which was a life-changing part. And especially I would like to thank you, each and every jury members, the photographers, the videographer, the every whole unit of team, that they have done a tremendous work. And every person got to know Love Israni sir, then Megha ma'am, Abhimanyu sir, Prashila ma'am, Harpreet sir. They have given the true essence of a photographer. Like every normal people are becoming a photographer, but if you want your inner photographer, right, then you must join Capturing WOW. Towards the next seminar, contact the team, contact to the website. It's really amazing workshop they are having. Like from the core and from the bottom of my heart, I would like to advise you, suggest you, but I won't convince you. Mark my words, I won't convince you, right? Take my advice and just join. Go dive into that part, right? And then you'll come back stronger. You'll set back more stronger than ever. This masterclass was also a first time experience, and in masterclass there were only few seats, like 20-25 members were there. And apart from that, we got one-on-one guidance, one-on-one Q&A. Every single detail points has been discussed with ample of time. Although we were running out of time, but we never felt that we are short of time. And again, we still feel that, oh, the seminar is getting over, the workshop is getting over. We want again and again the guidance, that humbleness, that kindness, the session, the complete process they are giving. It's tremendous. I mean, there is a more than a photographer, there is more life. They give us the enhancement to your life, to your business, to your culture, every single thing. I mean, after this giving my feedback, all these things won't suffice, because words aren't enough to express. I mean, एक पूरा ऐसे लिख दूँ तो भी वो बहुत कम है. We got that much of knowledge, and after all, knowledge is power. And if we fetch this power, we can do anything. Thank you so much.